Hello friends, I'm Rishikesh Yadav and today's video topic is inheritance. So let's see what is the inheritance. So inheritance is a very important part of object-oriented programming system. When we create or construct new class from existing class in a such a way that it has all the features and properties of existing class, then it is known as inheritance. When we inherit a class from existing class, then we can reuse the features and properties of existing class, and we can also make changes in current class. The inheritance represents is a relationship which is also known as parent-child relationship. In Java, extend keyword is used to perform inheritance. It provides code reusability. We cannot access private members of the class through inheritance. A subclass have all the properties and features of a superclass, so we can make a object of subclass. Method overriding is only possible by using inheritance. The terms used in inheritance are class, subclass, and superclass. So the class is a collection of object, and it is also known as blueprint by which we can create a object. Subclass. Subclass is also called as child class, a class which inherits the superclass is known as subclass. And next is a superclass. The superclass is also known as parent class, which inherited by subclass. And there are five types of inheritance. First one is simple inheritance. Simple inheritance is nothing but uh, which contains one subclass and one superclass. Then it is known as a simple inheritance or a single inheritance. The syntax for simple inheritance is uh, class A, which is a superclass, in curly braces statements or properties, and class B extends class A. Class B is a subclass, and it extends superclass A. Second is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is nothing but which contains one superclass and multiple subclasses, is known as multi-level inheritance. The syntax for multi-level inheritance is class A, which is superclass, in curly braces statement or properties, and then class B extends class A, uh, and in curly braces statement and properties, and class C extends class B, which is subclass 2, and it extends subclass 1, which is B. So third one is hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is nothing but which contains one superclass and multiple subclasses, but all the subclasses inherits uh, superclass. So the syntax for hierarchical inheritance is class A, which is a superclass, in curly braces statement and properties. Class B, which is subclass 1, extends class A, in curly braces statement and properties, and then again class C extends class A. So and fourth one type is multiple inheritance. Whenever sub class wants to inherit two or more superclass classes which has same method, then the Java compiler gets confused which method should it inherits. so the ambiguity issue is generated. So that's why Java does not support multiple inheritance. Next is hybrid inheritance. When we use two or more uh, two types of inheritance, then it is known as hybrid inheritance. The advantages of inheritance are method overriding. So runtime polymorphism can be achieved. Um, Second is code reusability, and the disadvantages of inheritance is when we make a changes in parent class, it will shows in all subclasses which inherits the parent class. So this is the information of inheritance. I hope it will helps you to understand the basics of inheritance. Thank you.